In today's video, I'll show you how to fix WWE 2K17 lag, stutter, and boost FPS to get smooth gameplay. All you have to do is go to Options and scroll down and select the graphics settings. Screen resolution, set this to 1080 into 720, and the FPS set this to 60 Hz. VSync off, shadows off, in FXWA off, MSWA off, texture quality low, audience density 0, depth of field off, motion blur off. Making audience density 0 can gives you highest FPS boost. Press the spacebar key. Do you want to apply these display settings? Select the yes option. Now again press the spacebar key. The settings has been changed. And now you can enjoy the game, guys. WWE 2K games heavily use CPU and GPU. Lowering these settings gives you immediate performance boost. If you want to make it even low settings, then close off the game, go to File Explorer and go to Documents, WWE 2K17, right click on the config and select Edit in Notepad. And these three options of texture quality set to 0 and select audience stylization off, and then select File and select Save option. The settings will be saved in game. This forces low settings even if the game doesn't apply changes. Just close it off here and launch the game. And the third method, you just need to update your graphics driver, guys. This can gives you massive improvement. Open the graphics software. In my case, I have NVIDIA app. Go to drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics driver up to date. Old drivers cause low FPS, crashes, and shader stutter. So updating can fix the problem. The fourth method, go to search menu and type graphics settings. You can open it. Select the add desktop app option and navigate to the game location and check the game.exe application and select add option and find the game. In GPU preference, click on the drop down and select high performance. Doing this will prevent Windows from using power saving mode. And just to close stuff here. And the final thing you need to do, open the task manager. Before you start the game, close unnecessary background programs running just by right click and select end task. Something expose. Then just close stuff here and launch the game. Doing this will reduce CPU and RAM usage and make the game smoother gameplay. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.